Look, it's okay. It happens to all of us. You're trying to do something a little special, a little different, and well, your pipe is just not long enough. But don't worry, it's not size that matters, but how you use it. And if you need to bring a friend along, you do what you gotta do. As I'm sure you can tell from my intro, today we're going to be talking about pipe clamps. These are really versatile clamps and they can be used in many different ways. All you need is any length of pipe and one of these clamping fixtures. The ones that I like to use are from Pony. Pipe clamps are great for assemblies, they're great for glue ups, they're great for just about anything. Except when the length of your pipe is just not long enough for the project you're working on. Everyone has had the issue where they want to do a project and it's bigger than they normally do. We all don't carry around 8-foot pipes in our workshop, so do we run out and we buy one or two or three just for one specific project and then leave it around? They're not that cheap. So I have a solution for you where you can use the ones in your shop and get extra reach out of your pipe clamp. Solution number one is a down and dirty dad trick. This is the part where the friend comes in. Well, at least the friend of one of your pipe clamps. Now you may have noticed you can move these pieces independently of each other. And what you can do with this is you can turn this one 90 degrees and then you can clamp it to its friend to make one giant super clamp. Now my second solution is a lot more elegant. That's where these come in. These are 3/4 inch pipe fittings, and this one's in brass if you want a little bit more style, and this one's just a galvanized coupler. So what you do with these is you can take two pipes that you already own and just connect them together. Now you have one really long pipe. All you need to do now is put on your clamping fixtures, and you have a really elegant solution to pipe clamp inadequacy. Well, that's that. I hope you liked this video, and if you made it this far, I guess you did. So how about helping out the channel and subscribing or liking us below, or even knocking off that bell icon so you get notifications of new content. Until next time, good luck on your projects, and if you ever need any help, you can visit the website, leave a comment, or send me an email, and we'll make sure we get back to you. Yes, Victor, my hair does always look this good when I take my hat off.